Why'd you hesitate? Not hesitating would have made that fine.
So, you know, I had to make my own event.
Back over now.
People show up at the liquor store. Thank God it was Jimmy doing it, not some of the other people that would travel to expect, you know. That's how it kind of is. You expect people.
That's a good question, and one I feel like I've thought about before, and then forgotten. But no, I don't think so.
What is this free for all?
Coffee, and you can see that visually based on, you know, percentage of maybe it has defects or it doesn't. You can see that in the raw green coffee. I say green coffee because when coffee comes to us, it is in a raw green unroasted.
It's me trampling it.
Yes, it did.
Nice. That's funny. No, but how's everything been?
Okay, poor Uncle Mike is invalided.
I am about to watch this bus. Oh, I don't know how that bus did not clip that pickup truck. Sorry, I'm driving to work because this is the only time I had today. Left you regrets still on my hollow head, but I promise to you that I will see you again.
Hey everybody, are you waiting in lines yet? You got your lottery ticket number waiting for your number to get called out? No.
Might not have to with some of these, but who knows?
Appreciate you
But
getting
our
out of the way of
first
me. I'm
one
very much
kind of
cut off
struck
that
me a
super-
little, I would say off guard, but hey, I guess the American single malt is picking up. So the newest
well, yeah,
full-time
he didn't
member
like
of the
that either.
Yellowstone brand family and the latest inspiration from limestone. You talk to a bar owner and they're telling you that the distilleries themselves are telling them they don't fit within their allocation. So the distillery officials are communicating that. However, the decisions and the conversations that are being yeah, we did it.
It's a little unrelated thing to anything, but whenever I'd be driving by here with my grandparents, my grandpa would always point out that this is not Old Fort, but Old Fart, referring to that he has his own town. So just a little nostalgia there.
What would you say? In Warehouse C. In Warehouse C. There you go. So our last one is at Houseville 340, and it's going to be a bill that's going to allow Sunday sales of distilled spirits and products and